Hey, what's up guys? In this video we're going to keep working on the 5.3. I did get some new valve cover gaskets. I got some POR 15 caliper paint for the Green Goblin, because let me show you, ever since I got them new wheels you could see the drums real good. And they're rusted, and it's been bugging me, so I'm gonna paint them and the calipers black, just so it'll look a little better. That's probably gonna be in a future episode. I ain't gonna do that today, but I did get this little can. I didn't pay attention to the size, but I might have to get another can. But anyways, here's the valve covers. Got them cleaned up a little bit. I did take these out when I was cleaning it, and some of them are broke, and some of them are good still. But got some new ones here. And some people put them in the oven to heat them up, because you gotta get it over this lip here on that. But I'm gonna try to heat it up with the heating gun and see if that works. Put a little bit of oil on it to help it slide on there. It worked out pretty good. I ain't gonna tighten these all the way down yet. I'm just gonna put them on there to keep dust and stuff out of it. I gotta take it back off. I'm gonna pre-oil the engine and make sure I get oil coming out all my push rods as soon as I get the oil pan on. Alright guys, I've decided to take the transmission off this one to get the oil pan lined up on that one. So I'm gonna put the transmission on that one. I was trying to take his torque bolt loose, and you gotta take the starter off, and then this little plastic thing goes right there. You gotta take that off, and then you can get to it. But I don't know if y'all can see that smoke, but I had to heat that bolt up to about 1,300,000 degrees before I can get it to break loose. And it's not a hex head, it's got an Allen wrench in the middle of it, so that's nice. But that's what I'm doing right now. I'm gonna try to get it off, the rest of them off, and take the transmission off and put it on this one. So yeah. Alright guys, I got that motor sitting over here, ready to pick this one up and put the transmission on it. But before I do, I think I'm gonna put the windage tray on it. You always want to put a new seal on there. Alright guys, this is how I'm going to put the old pan on. I got the transmission on there, and now I can line it up against the transmission. You got to put some gasket maker right there, right where the the back plate meets the block. Right there, and there's a spot in the front, right here, where that crack is. I'm just going to use some Permatex. Put it on. Alright, got the old pan put on. Got the transmission on it. I guess that's it for this one. Till next time. See ya.